Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and so we're going to do a video about Rosie throws a temper tantrum at the mall grounded. So let's watch that.
Dad, why are we going to Columbia Mall?
Because. Just because. So, let's go in.
Yeah, Rosie. Let's go in. Oh my God. Let's go to Toys R Us. Oh, hello, Rosie. We're not going to Toys R Us. We're going to buy some clothes for us. No. I want Toys R Us. No. I gotta get a Nintendo Switch for Claire. I'll be right back.
Hello, my love. Oh, hi, my love. Oh, we never met. My name is Clip, and yours?
R.Y. Rosie. Rosie, wake up. You just fainted. Is he gone?
Yes. I am very sorry about my boyfriend scaring you.
It's okay. Just don't let your quote-unquote boyfriend in the mall again. Okay. Got that. Gotta get some new clothes. Dad, I want Toys R Us.
No. We're not going to Toys R Us today.
Dad, you're asking for it.
Rosie, I said no.
Dad, say no again and you'll get it.
Oh, yeah? Well, guess what?
Sometimes I throw tantrums sometimes.
At Toys R Us and never. So there you go. Happy now?
All right, you've asked for it.
Rosie. How fucking dare you throw a temper tantrum at the mall? That's it. You're grounded for 5 million years. Get out of here now.
So that is it. Hold on, I'm turning that off. I'm turning my phone off. So here's the video about Rosie throws a tantrum at the mall. So goodbye now, see you tomorrow, and have a good summer vacation, and have fun.